Hello, this is Football Monster Trucks. Who can score a goal? Who's next? Who's going down the slide?
One.
Are you ready?
Go!
Oh, he didn't score.
Naughty.
He's out. He's out, yeah? Right, next one.
Come in.
Who's next? T-Rex. Oh, he missed as well.
He's really got in the hole.
He's out. Right, try again. Oh, you can try again. He missed. Right, hang on. Wait for me. He can have a go. He can have a go. Okay. This one. He missed the ball. He's got to hit the ball.
Two.
Hit the ball. No, one at a time, James. You've got to hit the ball. No. Try again. Oh. I missed that one. But he scored. He scored. He's through. There's the winner's bit there, okay? Alright. Hang on. We'll try this one again. Grave digger. Grave digger. We've got to try and hit the ball. No. Useless. Try again. Good. No. Missed. It's old school coming down. Old school. He went over the ball. It looks like there's only one winner.
He's movable.
He's the winner. Ding, 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 ding. Round two?
Yep.
Round two. There's a small cart holding there. I'll get the other ones.